Hi ma'am, good day. So for today's video, I will be filming about bottle sterilization and feeding the baby. But before that, I will introduce my name. So I am Ventulara Rosme from Section A, EMDNA second year. So first is I'm gonna put on apron to prevent from getting wet. Then after that is I'm gonna wash my hands. So apply soap. And then gonna let my hands dry. Then after that is I'm gonna put on 2 inches of water into the sterilizer. And then turn the burner on. And then we're going to dismantle one feeding bottle. So I have here a basin with soap suds. So first is I'm gonna wash the bottle. So first, inside, I'm using a bottle brush, and then after that, wash the bottle groove, and then the body of the bottle. The next is the cap of or the cover of the bottle. Then the bottle groove. The bottle ring. And then include the spatula. Then wash the nipple by the use of nipple brush. And then use a toothpick to make sure that there is no obstruction. So it's good. Then after that, place the bottle into the sterilizer. So first is the bottle, the top, the bottle ring. We have this nipple and the spatula. So it should be 15 to 30 minutes. So, assuming that it is already 5 minutes, we're going to take first the nipple. And then, followed by the other parts of the bottle. No. First is we're going to turn it off and then let it cool. And then after, we're going to take all the bottle and then assemble one feeding bottle. And then we're going to do a formula of milk. So 1:2, so 1 scoop of milk, and then we're going to level it by the use of spatula. And then we're going to put on a hot water. And then shake in sideways. This is the proper way of shaking the bottle, not the other like this. This is the proper way, just to make sure that there is the milk is really dissolved. And then after that, we're going to check the temperature of the milk. So by the use of our inner race. Then, so the temperature of the milk is ready for feeding. So we're going to get the baby to start the feeding. Hello ma'am, good morning. Mag-start na ako feeding sa baby ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So akong kawin ng baby ma'am. But before that, I'm going to place on a burping cloth. So let the nipple touch the cheek of the baby to perform rooting reflex. So half through of the milk, we're going to let the baby burp. Then after that, continue feeding. And then, let the baby burp again. And then after feeding the baby, check the diaper. If it is clean and if it's dirty, you can change it before bringing back the baby to the mother. So the diaper is clean. We can already bring the baby back to the mother. So ma'am, done akong feeding sa imong baby ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. And then after that is I'm going to do aftercare of all the equipment, and then wash hands, and then document. And then that will be all, and thank you for watching.